The co-sponsoring organizations, the Global Initiative for Economic, Social and Cultural Rights, AIDA, Asia Pacific and PSCI, thank the opportunity to address member states at the general debate of the CSW66 at this critical time of interlocking environmental and inequality crisis. Across the globe, efforts are being harnessed to shift away from fossil fuel energy sources towards renewable energies, ushering in a cleaner model of powering societies. However, this process is not necessarily rights compliant in accordance with international human rights law and ILO's fundamental principles and rights at work. Many green energy projects are reproducing the harms associated to the fossil fuel energy model that for the past 200 years has been gender blind and traditionally neglected women's energy needs and skills. Now, there is an opportunity for the fast-growing green energy sector to overcome prevailing gender-blind approaches to energy governance, generation, and provision. We thus call on states to rethink the energy transition not as a technical shift from one source of energy to another, but as a transformative opportunity to address the economic, social, and environmental gaps in the present energy model and to promote gender equality. In this light, to inform the general debate, we would like to put forward the following key recommendations to foster an alternative gender-equal energy model. First, implement tailored programs to ensure the inclusion of women in the workforce of the renewable energy sector. Second, adopt measures to protect women human rights defenders that protect their land and territory from the impacts of large-scale energy infrastructure projects. Third, prioritize the energy needs of women and their communities who have been historically marginalized. Fourth, give higher priority to community-managed and women-led renewable energy solutions that give opportunities for the diversification of energy ownership, management, and production with more democratic and equitable outcomes. Fifth, address intersecting crises derived from the pandemic, climate breakdown, and growing and entrenched inequalities, guided by the right to a healthy environment as recognized by the Human Rights Council, and ensuring that the production, transmission, distribution, and control of energy is publicly owned. Finally, the Human Rights Framework provides a wide range of binding obligations that need to be respected, but which can also offer guidance to states as to how we can ensure women can actively shape the energy policies that affect their lives. The CSW can be a critical space to develop standards that can embed principles of gender equality and human rights in the design of new energy systems. Please harness this opportunity to drive a greatly needed gender-just energy transition. Thank you.